Sup everybody, Logan here from Crypto Videos, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Aidev token. Now the Aidev token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, May 21st, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Aidev Agent is their Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. Aidev Agent is the full name of the token. Aidev, all one word, is the ticker symbol. There's 18 decimal places on this token. There's a max total supply of 400 million tokens. And this token is on the base chain, and you can find this token on basescan.org. If you're looking for the chart and the price, you can find it on DEX Tools, DEX Screener. Their webpage is aidevagent.xyz. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, May 21st, 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Aidev, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Aidev Agent is an advanced AI assistant that lets you build and launch a wide range of digital products, including games, websites, apps, presentations, and videos. Using simple text prompts, you can also create and launch your own token tied to any of these products, enabling seamless integration with Web3 ecosystems. Whether you're developing a game with complex mechanics, designing a landing page, or preparing a video pitch, Aidev Agent acts as your expert co-creator, helping you go from idea to launch faster without the need for a large team. Now, gaming, Web3, and generative AI are evolving at lightning speeds with new trends, tools, and user expectations emerging and fading in a matter of weeks. In this environment, traditional development cycles simply can't keep up, so creators need tools to let them move fast, adopt instantly, and bring innovative products to life, whether it's a game, app, website, presentation, video, or token, without technical bottlenecks. Aidev Agent delivers the speed and flexibility required to thrive in today's markets. So the challenge is, it says high barrier to entry, so building games, apps, or websites traditionally require advanced coding skills, complex tools, and a large team of specialists. From many creators, startups, this technical overhead makes it nearly impossible to bring an idea to life without outside help. There's also high costs and risks, long development process, and lack of monetization pathways. So there's a huge market opportunity for the gaming industry, the blockchain section, artificial intelligence, intersection of AI, blockchain, and gaming. And the platform features of Aidev include zero-code AI creation. So Aidev Agent enables anyone to build full-featured digital products using natural language prompts. Whether you're creating a game, website, app, presentation, or interactive experience, the platform eliminates the need for manual coding. The AI dev agent interprets your input and generates the underlying code, logic, UI, and assets in real time. It acts as an expert code developer, supporting you through ideation, iteration, and refinement. So the platform includes a live AI assistant embedded into the build process. It assists you with debugging, game balancing, logic testing, and creative ideation. You can make changes and get results immediately without waiting on traditional development timelines. This allows for rapid prototyping, ongoing iteration, and highly adaptive workflows. Now, every product built on the platform can have its own token economy. With the token launcher, users can configure and deploy custom tokens, setting parameters like tickers, total supply, allocation rules, and more. And these tokens are integrated into your product's logic and monetization pathways from day one. AI Dev Agent includes built-in tools for decentralized fundraising. Launch tokens come with speculation mechanics such as real-time price charts, burn tracking, and holder analytics, and this makes it possible to raise funds directly from your community without the need for third-party platforms or VC backing. Users can enhance their products with modular features like multiplayer support, token-based access control, quest systems, user inventory, and economic layers. And these modules are pre-integrated into the platform and can be activated or modified with simple prompts. Now, the platform includes integrated 2D and 3D asset generators powered by AI. You can instantly generate characters, environments, UI elements, and game prompts that match your project style. No external tools or manual design work required. They also have cross-platform deployment. So AI Dev Agent allows for seamless deployment across multiple platforms. You can publish your product as a standalone web app, embedded it in iframe, or integrate directly with platforms like Telegram, export and iterate without starting from scratch. Now, monetization tools. Beyond token launches, the platform supports various monetization methods. You can sell access to your source code, offer in-app purchases powered by tokens, and distribute premium content gated by wallet ownership or token holding. Now, they have the AI Agent SDK for advanced users. The platform provides an SDK for deploying autonomous AI agents, including in-game characters, NPCs, enemies, or interactive bots. These agents can be customized through prompts and integrated directly into your product's ecosystem. And lastly, the AI Dev Token ecosystem integration. All tokens launched on the platform are connected to the AI Dev Token, the native utility token. It is used for unlocking premium AI tools, accessing higher prompt limits, participating in governance, and receiving a share of the ecosystem revenues through transaction fee redistribution and marketplace royalties. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.